Good morning, Octopus. Your math test today is dividing a 1 or 2 digit number by 100. We are going to practice a skill for our anchor task and then reasoning and problem solving to achieve goal today. So, a quick recap. How do we approach these calculations? So 62 divided by 100. We are making the number 100 times smaller. So we are moving it 2 places to the right, remembering that the number of zeros in this number here gives us a little hint how many places to move our number in our place value grid. So we are moving 2 places to the right, so our 2, which is in our ones column, moves through the tenths and into the hundredths. So it becomes 2 hundredths. Similarly, we will move our 6 from the tens column, 2 place value, through to the tenths column, showing that our new number with a placeholder would be 0.62. Okay, so if we were looking at the number 3 divided by 100, we would place our 3 into our place value column, so it would be in the ones column, and this time we are just moving the 1 number 2 places to the right, remembering that there are 2 zeros in our 100, which tells us we are moving 2 places to the right. So our 3 would be in our hundredths column. Now I have nothing else to move, so I need a placeholder in my tenths column so that my 3 doesn't fall down, and I need a placeholder in my ones column to show that there is nothing in these columns. So my answer would be 0.03. So for your anchor task today, I would like you to divide these 1 and 2 digit numbers by 100 in your books, please. For silver today, you are completing questions 1 through to question 5. And for gold, you are completing question 6 onwards. So here is an example of question 6. This Katengo chart shows the number 32. So looking closely, I've got a counter on the number 30 and a counter on the number 2. Explain how you would work out 32 divided by 100 using this chart. So if you're dividing by 100, thinking about how many rows you would move through to change the place value of that number. Thinking about how many zeros in our 100. So go through to question 10 today. And then finally, platinum, you are reasoning with some questions there independently. If you have any questions, please do email me. Remembering that if you typically started on silver in class, then that is what you would start on today. However, if you normally start on the gold task in our typical maths lesson, then please start on gold.